Hi, how many women must have heard at some point in their lives कि अरे पेट में दर्द होना पीरियड्स में ये तो बहुत आम बात है और ये तो सबको होता ही है. Now I just want to tell everybody that severe or chronic pelvic pain is never normal and should never be dismissed as normal. Yes, periods में पेन और क्रैम्प सबको होता है, but अगर वो जरूरत से ज्यादा है, if it is severe, persistent, and there is pain in your lower abdomen, even without periods, it's definitely something abnormal and we need to look into it deeper. So let's understand what exactly does chronic pelvic pain mean. Now, chronic pelvic pain typically means pain that is persistently there or continuously there in the lower abdomen and has been lasting for 6 months or beyond. Now, this kind of a pain has various gynecological causes. Let me break it down for you. The commonest causes for chronic pelvic pain in a woman's body could be endometriosis, which is a condition where the inner lining of the uterus, known as the endometrium, starts growing in abnormal locations outside the uterus. For example, the ovaries, the fallopian tubes, the pelvic peritoneum, sometimes even in remote organs like the bowel or the bladder. Now, endometriosis is a highly painful and disturbing condition which could cause even menstrual abnormalities, could also be associated with lower backache, and may also be a cause for female infertility. Second is adenomyosis. Adenomyosis is a condition similar to endometriosis, but here this endometrial lining starts growing inside the uterine muscle layer. Again, causes persistently painful periods and severe tenderness on the uterus during your periods. Third cause for chronic pelvic pain could be uterine fibroids, which is a very common benign condition where there are tumor-like masses growing in the uterus, but they are absolutely non-cancerous or non-malignant. Now, these could also cause pressure symptoms, again like lower backache. It could also cause pain while passing motion. It could cause constipation if there's pressure on the bowel, and again be a cause for infertility. Next cause for chronic pelvic pain is again a very common entity known as pelvic inflammatory disease or pelvic inflammation. Now, this is basically the inflammation or the infection of the upper genitalia of the female reproductive system. So that includes the infection of the uterus, the tubes, and the ovaries. And this actually can be resulting from an untreated infection either in the vagina, the cervix, or an untreated sexually transmitted infection, which is very, very common in reproductive age girls. This time, your chronic pelvic pain could also have associated symptoms like pain while passing urine, pain during sexual intercourse. It could also have fever and chills. So, all these causes of chronic pelvic pain indicate that something is not normal. And you need to look into the cause. So, to all women out there, periods में दर्द होना हमेशा normal नहीं है. अगर the pain is associated with painful intercourse, with lower backache, is persistent between your menstrual cycles, has associated vaginal discharge or abnormal discharge from the vagina, has some sort of a fever and chills, tenderness over the uterus, and you are somebody who is in the reproductive age group and suffering from long-standing infertility, definitely one of these causes could be the reason. Now, the good news is that all of these are not just easily detectable, but also easily treatable. All you have to do is, instead of dismissing it as normal, reach out to your gynecologist, get yourself examined. Because sometimes a thorough pelvic examination done by an expertised gynecologist is all that you need to diagnose the reason. Your gynac may also advise certain radiological tests like pelvic ultrasound or a pelvic MRI to rule out the cause. Treatment may vary from medical treatment, which involves painkillers, maybe antibiotics if there is a pelvic inflammation, It may also need hormonal treatment if the condition is severe, like endometriosis or adenomyosis. Sometimes surgery may be the modality of treatment if you're suffering from severe or deep infiltrating endometriosis, or there are conditions which need surgical removal like ovarian cysts, uterine fibroids, large uterine fibroids, etc. So, at Navkar Hospitals, we believe that every woman should be heard, understood, and her symptoms should be taken care of before a small symptom turns into a lifelong illness. So all those women out there who have ever dismissed their pelvic pain saying as ye to normally hota hi hai, remember that you're not alone, and there are so many others who may be suffering in silence. The need of the hour is that you make yourselves aware that all of these causes of chronic pelvic pain are somewhere affecting you deep down. And not just physically, but they also affect your daily routine, your productivity, may not let you work professionally, may also be associated with a hindrance in your sexual and your reproductive life because of the pain, and also affects your fertility. So, we need to look into this. We need to find out the reason for your discomfort. And always remember that your reproductive health should be your first priority. So, please book an appointment with your gynecologist if you're someone who's suffering with any of these that I've just described. And to all those women watching this video, if you're one of them who have heard this line that pain हो रहा है तो इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, ये तो normal है, सबको होता है, feel free to leave a comment in the section below, so that you also know and others also know that you're not alone in this, and there are so many who are probably in the same situation.